most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Hannick, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
This is a video that is the introduction to a series of videos on the treatment of plantar fasciitis. Now, there's a lot of videos. There's, I think, at least 12. And you don't necessarily need to watch all 12 of them.
Right.
Yeah, but we do recommend that you at least watch the first 4. And then over time, you probably want to watch the other videos that pertain to you. For example, if you're having trouble, if you want to pick out an orthotic or a boot.
Right. Night splint.
Yeah. So each video has with it a guide sheet. If you go to our website, bobandbrad.com, it has a guide sheet available that you can print out so that you can follow along with the video, or you can have a
old-fashioned paper.
Yeah, you can have a portable copy. If you have any questions, this is kind of a work in progress for us. We can't answer specific questions about your, what's going on with you, but we can go over stuff if it's not clear or if something, further information is needed.
Sure.
We'll certainly, and we're going to try to create a question and answer section.
Right.
Eventually, once we get all your questions, so we can answer them.
Right. We really feel that plantar fasciitis can be self-treated. There's a lot of things that you can do or things that you shouldn't be doing to help this heal faster without going to see the doctor. Things you can do before seeing a doctor, because outside of getting injections and things, or maybe a laser surgery that's out there. But for the most part, this is how it's
treatable.
Approached.
So what is plantar fasciitis? On the bottom of your foot, Brad's going to show here, and this is really a crude representation, but there's 3 thick flat bands that help form the arch of your foot. You show it off to a little bit to the side here. It actually forms the arch and gives it a little bit of support. Right. So this is plantar, means the bottom of the foot. Fascia is the tough, thick band it is. This has a poor blood supply, and so it does not heal quickly. So that's one of the first things people ask us is, how long does it take for my plantar fascia to heal? Well, it can actually take up to from 6 weeks up to even 3 years. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to have pain that entire time.
Right.
But depending on how quickly you address the problem and what you do, it could go on for a long time.
Some people continue to irritate it just by the wrong pair of shoes, or not wearing a night splint. We've had different approaches that treat different people successfully. So
right. And that's one thing, by the way, with all of our video series, we try to come up with what we call quick wins. And these are, having you do something provides the most benefit with the least amount of effort.
Right.
So our if you want to watch top 5 things everyone with plantar fasciitis should do every morning, that's probably one of the next videos of the series. I think it's in the top 5 anyway.
It's titled with
that. It's with that title. Take a look at it, because that's the one that's going to help you the most. And we're also going to go over the next video. What are the top 3 signs you have plantar fasciitis, and what are the top 3 signs you don't have it?
Sure.
So check that one out. Thanks.